Okay, so we have an 1500 here. This one needs a tipm because the fuel pump is not running. Now some of these newer ones are covered by the fuel pump relay recall, which I did a fucking million of them. So glad I don't work at the dealership anymore. Thank God. This one is not covered yet, but the customer is going to seek reimbursement through Chrysler on his own accord. So how do you test this? So it comes in as a crank no start. So you're gonna go through your basic stuff: spark, compression, fuel, sucks, squish, bang, blow, right? Okay, so verify you got spark. So what I do is I attach a alternate fuel device to the vehicle and supply fuel through the throttle body, and then the thing starts coughing and sputtering, and it'll eventually run on its own. So we go to the testing of the fuel pump system, and this is fuse M25 right here on this particular applications right here. So we pull the fuse out, turn the key on. We have voltage here on this pin, and as the priming pulse goes away, the voltage goes away. Okay, so what the hell? Just like the seat lumbar. Okay, we got voltage there. What's the problem? So if we take a jumper wire like this and stick it in the port, I guess, there that goes to the pump, we can manually energize the fuel pump, and upon manual energization, the vehicle will run on its own. So we know from previous testing that if we have voltage that goes away when the load is applied, we know that there's insufficient current. So you can, if you want, put a light bulb in there and see if it works, but the relay on these is attached to the board, because genius, it's like the recalls where we had to come in here and pull the the wires out of the brown connector and the wires out of this connector, and we installed a relay on the Grand Cherokees and Durangos and DS trucks. But this one's not, like I said, not in there yet, but I'm sure it will be because they're all starting to fail. So this one's, of course, it's warranty. It's a service contract, which I guess is not technically warranty, but it is. I'm gonna put a tipm in it because that's what they want to do. So good stuff.